Set number 2, Sandogo Sandals up against the Philippine Navy, and we have found our Shakey's face of the day. Smile. Yan, ang ganda na smile ito. Pauline Gakuya, 20 years old. Galing pang Bulacan. Yes, may Shakey's dyan sa may SM Marilao. So, alam na alam eh. So, pwede mong gamitin yan dyan. Hindi yan.
Ay, nako, Noel.
Sa mga kaibigan natin dyan sa Bulacan. Batiin na rin natin yung mga kaibigan natin sa Malolos, sa Giginto, may Kawayan.
Vivas family.
Yun.
Yan, ang mga Meneses.
Ay.
Berhel.
Si Caberhel. Mga galing Bulacan. Hagonoy, si Art de la Cruz. Bulacan din. Sino ba yung
Jerez Plana ba?
Alam ko, taga Mandaluyong yun eh. Sino ba ang mga Bulakenyo, Bari, na atleta? Iisip pa si Bari dito.
Bobby Joe. Yun,
Ano,
diba?
Bobby Jose.
Bobby Jose.
Well, right now, ito si Annalyn Joy Benito hits it into the antenna. Medyo masama pa simula rito. Coming off the bench today. That's 2 straight points now for the Philippine Navy. Kitero Sale.
Well, so far, Sandogo, 10 attack points with 2 block points. Ang Philippine Navy, 2 attack points pa lang, partner, and a block.
And here's Suzanne Roses, dug up there, and Benting again. Yan, ang mga napapala nyo. Sino ba ba? Eddie Alinea! Of course, ang presidente ng Scoop.
Oo nga.
Sir
Eddie, dumalaw yan sa atin dito. Yes.
Oh, madalas dito yan. Eileen Susan comes in for resurrection.
Well, in that last attack of Angela Benting, that was her 5th attack of 10 tries.
Wow.
So, 50%.
Here's Mirabueno setting up Prochina, and unmolested that time. Benito was not even able to jump. So a rocky start for Joy Benito both on offense and defense. Tignan natin dito. Parang ano eh, yung sumigaw, oh, jump shot naman sa camera, biglang nahuli siya. Nangyari na, malamang nangyari na yun sa'yo, Mosi, ano? Jump shot yung buong barkada, tapos ikaw nasa crowd ka pa rin.
Walang timing.
Walang timing. Eto ngayon si Susan, and that one goes long.
Well,
18 to 8.
Well, you can see that the Philippine Navy, they're trying to avoid the blockers of Sandogo. Pero kanina si Jennifer Arasan, mas tama yung ginagawa niya. She was using the blockers to get the points from off the block hits.
Pretty much like what Mai Prochina tried to do right there with success. So Mai Prochina cuts it down to 9. Still a long climb for the Philippine Navy dito sa ating second set.
Well, it's a double production for San Sebastian. Having 18 already as against the 9 of Philippine Navy.
Mirabueno with a smile when she served that time. Oh, banggaan, dalawang setter. Si Joanna Carpio was ready to set that time.
Natural position.
Oo. Ano tawag sa kanyang posisyon? Dalawa setter.
Oo, 6'2".
6'2".
Tapos parehong nakakapalo. Pero ito hindi naman nakakapalo si Mirabuena. So si Joan Botor. Pwedeng ano to? Ano ba to? Tatawag mo dyan.
Hybrid. Or ang tawag dyan, confused.
Yun naman ang nangyari kanina.
Yun,
Confusion.
And Boli, no confusion with that attack. You know the way Boli is playing today, it's like itong si Jang Boli from 2006. When she first made her appearance dito sa Shakey's B-League. It's been that long, ha? Sipin mo, 6 na taon na naglalaro si Boli rin sa Pilipinas.
Kaya naman naka-accumulate ng a lot of Filipino fans.
But again, you know, itong si Boli has never won a championship. Yun ang
Kailangan
kapuna doon.
papangkitin pa rin yan.
Hindi, pero ito na nga, Mosi, kaya ko sinasabi yan. Because
Dahil?
this could be her best chance to get a championship. They're the #1 team right now.
And you can feel that she wants it.
Right.
Diba? From her attack.
Susan testing Benito once again, and Benito still trying to wake up. Tayo-tayo pa, Buk.
Sadya yan, no?
Ganun ba? If it's fun, family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Kailangan na natin ng pizza rito. Combination.
Boli once again.
Diba? Naalala mo si Boli noong 2006 when she first made her appearance.
Unstoppable.
Unstoppable na. In fact, ang ganda nga tignan because nga ito namang si Benito, also I think it was in 2006 when she made her first appearance before the ACL injury.
Yes.
Ang tawag sa kanya naman ay Baby Boli.
Oh, true.
Here's Roses. Wow. Boli, nagmadali sa pagligpit nun. Di makulangan, one more time. This time it lands on the head of Joanna Botor-Carpio. What is it with the head of Joanna Botor-Carpio today that attracts the volleyball? 22-11, timeout, Nene Ibanez.
Wala naman. Wala nang magkukuha nun. Ikaw na kasi si Ricky na Bawal tayo. Huli natin yung kalahati lang. Kalahati lang. Huli na yun yan. Wala. Check mo na nila. May nagpapakikisi. Hindi man lang mag-check. Grabe ka naman. Sanay. Grabe tayo. Kaya makakalit ko ko na lang. Ipagpupunta ko. Grabe lang yan! Maybe!
Well, habang pinapakinggan natin yung kanilang light huddle doon, of course, you can watch the Shakey's Open Conference for free. At pumunta lang po kayo sa mga Shakey's branch. Usually, nasa Makati, Manila areas. We took a look at the
Yung mga
at the
taga-USD,
list.
sa Espanya, meron.
Yan, meron din dyan sa
Aha.
Espanya, tapos meron din dyan sa UN. Yan,
Oh, yung mga
taga-Adamson.
Oo.
Malapit sa inyo yan.
Ah.
Sa port area. Yun. For every 500 peso purchase in Shakey's, you get one general admission ticket. Ngayon, pwede nyo paggamitin yan as ringside tickets. Paano yan? 100 pesos yung ringside tickets dito sa Ninoy Aquino Stadium. Dagdag na lang kayo na 70. Laking tipid pa nun. Ringside, baka masulyapan nyo pa si Mosi Ravena. Na nasulyapan natin. Sino?
At baka manalo ka pa ng pizza,
Yun!
diba? Yun naman
Face
yun
of the day. Kung ikaw
Yeah,
face of the day.
you're right.
Para si Mosi Ravena, nasulyapan ko sa telebisyon.
Todo
Kamakailan
magdasal.
ka. Kung ako nagdadasal ka, nagtitwitter ka yata.
Lahat ng santo, pati si Santa Claus tinawag na.
Again, congratulations to the Ateneo de Manila Blue Eagles for defeating the Adamson Falcons in the ongoing 75th season of the UAAP Men's Basketball. We now have set point for Sandugo. Ito ang kinasanayan na natin mapanood pag Sandugo naglalaro. Relentless offense.
Yan naman that which is really expected when you see the lineup.
Right.
Kaya mas nagagalit si Coach Roger pag yung sumasabay-sabay lang
Oo.
dun sa kalaban.
Carpio finds the line. So pinatagal pa nitong si Joanna Botor-Carpio. That's still 12 set points para dito sa kupunan ng Sandugo.
Arlene Susan on the line to serve for the Philippine Navy.
Gustilo on the reception and Boli says, I have a date later.
Parang ganyan
Yeah.
ang feeling.
Yan.
Nagmamadali and she wants it bad.
And they do want it bad. 25-12 in the second set para dito sa kupunan ng Sandugo. Shake and play. Of course, itong kupunan ng Sandugo, so many options na naman. Rhea de Maculangan says, who wants it? Sabi ni Boli, ako po ate. We'll be right back.